This question from JEE Advanced 2020 seems like a completely normal surface tension question. But when you read it carefully, you'll see two hidden shortcomings in it. Both of these shortcomings are highlighted in the solution given in PYQ+. The first shortcoming of this problem is the suggested model itself. It says that you need to consider it having semicircular edges. However, it is of varying radius of curvature. A water layer with semicircular edges cannot be in equilibrium. The second shortcoming is the vague statement. When the pressure of water at the bottom of this disk exceeds what can be withstood due to the surface tension. What does this mean? However, the problem itself is a beautiful one because it connects you to a real life situation. This is the problem related to greedy glass. Here we have a glass filled with water up to its brim and a few coins. So let's test it out. If I drop a coin, will the water spill out? What we once thought, that one coin in and the water would spill out, was wrong. In fact, now it has 10 to 12 coins inside before the water actually spilled out. And that is the power of water's surface tension. And I would like to read a few lines from the solution given in PYQ+. It beautifully starts by appreciating how lovely the problem is because it depicts a real life situation. The situation of a greedy glass. Like humans, a glass is also greedy. It has a desire for more coins. This not only helps students connect with the subject, but also shows how physics is actually coming from real life situations. And then it proceeds to pointing out the first and second shortcoming of this problem. First being the suggested model itself. It says, the water layer above the glass is modeled as a disk of thickness h, having semicircular edges. The edge of a real water layer is not semicircular. It is of varying radius of curvature. The second shortcoming is the vague statement. When pressure of water at the bottom of the disk exceeds what can be withstood due to the surface tension. This misleads the students into thinking that this is how concepts of physics are. Vague, abstract, and maybe confusing. But the beauty of the subject lies in the very fact that you can notice it around yourself, in nature, in your real life situations. And PYQ Plus ensures that you walk away with the right understanding of physics